guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a julep box for you. I often skip my boxes, so I get them sort of randomly, but I decided to go ahead and get this box because mostly I wanted this lipstick. This is one of their new Way Butter lipsticks or lip balms or whatever the heck they're calling them. This one is in Fig. I already have Macaron and what's the pink one? It's like Plumeria, Bellini, something like that, and I freaking love those things. I wear them all the time. They're one of those lip products that I just keep in my purse at all times because they're super hydrating if my lips are ever chapped, and they have really nice light colors, like not light, but more of like a sheer wash of color. It's not a heavily pigmented lipstick, and they just feel so nice on your lips. So this one is in Fig, and I do have it on right now, so you can see the color. And I mean, it has a fair amount of pigment, don't get me wrong, but like I said, it's just a little more sheer than a super pigmented lipstick. So there you can see it swatched on my hand. You know, it's just a nice wash of color. And the packaging is really cute. It has a magnetic closure, and this is reflective enough that you can use it as a mirror while you're applying it, which I just think it's wonderful, and I'm obsessed with these things. I love them. So anyway, I got this, and then I got a couple of nail polishes, one of which I have on my nails right now. This wonderful glittery silver, it's almost like a rainbow silver glitter, and that one is in the shade Lennon, and I did about 3 coats to get it this full color. If you just do one coat, you could probably put it over another color to give, you know, just like a top coat of rainbowy silver glitter, but on its own, I think it's really pretty, and you just need a couple of coats to be opaque like that. And then this one is in the shade Sloan. It's a really pretty iridescent pale pink color, and I'm really excited about getting this color too. I love julep nail polishes. I think they're fun. I like the packaging. They go on really nicely. So anyway, that's it. Just quick and easy little julep box. I didn't get any other stuff. I'm full up on all my skincare that I usually get from them. Have you tried these? What colors do you have? I have 3 of them so far, and I think they're wonderful. Julep is also available in Ulta stores now, so even if you don't subscribe to the box, you can always pick up items at Ulta. I like subscribing because you can skip every month if you want to, or you can get the occasional box. It's only like $20 a box, and you know, I mean, I got these 3 products for $20, which is a great deal. I love a lot of their skincare and stuff, and then they have a secret store which has discounts on everything, so subscribing really is a great deal. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box so you can check that out if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!